super long, like 40 inches, if that. This is probably about 2 feet, 24 inches, maybe 30. No way it's 40. I don't know. It could be. I don't know. I would think about 30, 28, 30 inches. Hey loves, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm just trying to figure out what to do with this lovely hair that I have on my head. This is my natural hair. For some reason, why is this looking? This looks so long compared to this. Okay. Anyway, but yeah, I'm trying to figure out what to do with my hair. You know, I might do a Valentine's Day hairstyle, I might not. So I'm just trying to see, but I'll probably go ahead to the beauty supply store, get a few things, and we'll figure it out from there. So let's go. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it.
Newbie and Queen vibes. Yes.
Look at this. This is my hair. You might as well call it my hair because all of it looks like my hair and it just blends so beautifully. Look at that shine. Oh yeah, it's working for me. Suck it in. This is what we are looking like. Super long. Yeah, my natural hair comes up to about boob length, about here. My real hair. So it's only about this much longer, if that, about this much longer than my real hair. So I'm okay with that, you know. I asked one who likes it, he was like, this is like super long, like 40 inches, if that. This is probably about 2 feet, 24 inches, maybe 30. No way it's 40. I don't know, it could be, I don't know. I would think about 30, 28, 30 inches. I'm super short, so this looks like 10 times longer than I wanted it to, but hey, it's working. This hairstyle is working. I'm probably curl it or straighten it out, put some curls in there. I might put a heart up here. That would be cute. I don't know, it's not Valentine's Day anymore, right? But we'll see. Looking real cute, real cute. I love this hairstyle, so it looks really good, blends really well with my real hair. Can't tell me nothing. I'm satisfied. So this is the outfit of the day, and it's just this striped turtleneck and some black faux leather pants. It was only like 60 degrees today, so I wore that with black shoes. But yes, this is the outfit of the day. And I might be wearing this hairstyle for a while because it's so cute. Hey loves, and welcome back to another video. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Christina. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell for future notifications on my next video. So if you'd like to see how I curl all of this hair, keep watching. And yeah, we finally reached 1,000 subscribers. Y'all. I really, really, really appreciate everyone who subscribed. And if you're not subscribed yet, it's never too late, alright? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell for future notifications on my next video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. super shiny, but it has a nice shine to it. And this is what it's looking like once you're finally done. Well, now that I'm finally done. Yeah, so this is what the final product is looking like. This is what the final curls after all the flat ironing and everything. This is what you're gonna be left with. Super bouncy, has a nice shine to it. And yeah, the curls should last a little while, so I'm loving it. All the curls finally in my head. You can brush it all the way out and give it like a wavy look, kind of like a loose wave. This is more like a loose curl. Yeah, but if you want like a body wave type look, I guess you just brush out all of the curls. I usually just keep it like this because I feel like the hair is just naturally gonna fall by itself. So I'm not gonna brush them out so I can keep the curl as long as possible because this is the look I'm trying to go for. But yes, super bouncy. They usually last a couple of days until I have to redo them again if I wanted to wear it like this. I am loving this look. I'll probably wear it tomorrow and just keep the curls like that. We are finally at 1,000 subscribers. Everyone, please subscribe. Thank you all for watching my videos. So I'm finally done with this hairstyle. It's 11:30, so I'm about to get ready for bed. I'm gonna wrap all of this up. And yeah, we're just gonna keep it moving like that. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Also, hit the bell for future notifications on my next video. In the meantime, stay blessed and keep being great.